We all need to eat, and this can be very expensive today, due to the increase of the inflation that affects all economic sectors. However, following the tips presented in this video, you will be able to reduce your grocery spending without sacrificing the quality of your meals. The first tip is to not go shopping without having a list prepared that you make sure to follow strictly. When you go to the grocery store without a shopping list, you are more likely to be tempted to buy things you don't really need. If you make a list of the items you need every time you go grocery shopping, you will not be at risk of overspending. The second tip on the list is to buy generic or store brand products more often. Another way to save money on groceries is to buy generic or store brand products instead of name brand items. Often, these products are of the same quality, but are much cheaper. This means a better price-quality ratio. Don't be afraid to try store brand products, you might be surprised at how good they are. Let's continue with the third tip, which would be to use store coupons and take advantage of sales. Many grocery stores offer discounts on certain products or have coupons that you can use to save money. Check on the store's apps, flyers or websites for these discounts and coupons and use them in your advantage. Tip number 4 is to buy in bulk when you are shopping for non-perishable items. If you have the space to store them, buying non-perishable items in bulk is a great way to save money in the long run. Items like rice, pasta, and canned goods can be bought in larger quantities for a lower price per unit. Just be sure to check the expiration dates and only buy what you know you'll use. Last but not least, tip number 5, plan meals around sales or in-season produce. When you plan your meals ahead of time, you can take advantage of sales and avoid buying expensive ingredients. In-season produce is also cheaper and often tastes better than out-of-season produce that's been shipped from far away. By following these 5 tips, you can save money on your groceries without sacrificing the quality of your meals. With a little bit of planning and effort, you can make your grocery budget go further.